mentioning 9th class B section. I am studying in MJP Girls Dumgudam School. I am telling about natural disasters. A natural disaster is an event that is caused by nature. It leads to so many problems like loss of materials, loss of humans, and also economic and environmental losses. There are some types of natural disasters are tsunami, earthquakes, droughts, floods, landslides, volcanic eruptions, etc. These are examples of natural disasters. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to all. My name is S2T. I am studying 9th class A section in MJP Girls in Dumgudam. Today I am telling about earthquakes, examples of natural disaster. Natural phenomena like lightning, floods, cyclones, etc. can cause large scale destructions of human life and property. An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth, lasting for a very short period of time. It is caused by the disturbance of the earthquake occurs on all the ways, all around the disasters. They are not even noticed earthquakes. They are not noticed earthquakes or much less frequent.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Srikanth. I am studying 9th class MJP Girls in Dumgudam. My topic is tsunamis. The terms of tsunamis are born on a Japanese war. As being the tsunamis was the caused by earthquakes, cyclones are the main tsunami are hung waves and the coastal regions are the disadvantage. In 2019, Tamil Nadu state caused a tsunami.
My name is Syed Sadika from 9th class A section in MJP Girls Dumgudam. Today I am telling about human-induced disasters. Human-induced disasters can be caused by the human negligence or deliberately, and such disasters can be mostly prevented. So we can say that the natural hazards. Natural disasters are not only natural disasters. Human being negligence and deliberately on group or individuality in a term of name as man-made or human-made disasters. In the human-made disasters are the cost of many terms in losing their lives and human suffering and long-term damage to countries' economic production. It will be decreases in rail accidents, road accidents, and fire accidents, and some accidents are the examples of the human-induced disasters. And the rail accidents. These rail accidents. Railway transportation is safe due to the slower speed and the short tip and the density of the network. With the large network of the railway tracks are present in the world, and as a number of railway accidents has been increased in India. These causes may be injuries, disabilities, and the inflicts and many more causes. And at the time of the railway accidents, do's and don'ts. Do's at the time of the railway accidents. At the time of railway crossing, we are paying attention to the signal and the swing barrier. At the unmanned crossing, going down and seeing meters of the railway track and can go out the tracks. And the don'ts at the time of the railway accidents. Don't carry the flammable materials and don't smoke in the train. And if anyone can do it, you say the no, stop it. And don't stand or lean in the train and moving off the train, and don't throw out any materials of the window. They can maybe injure so many problems. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
My name is Katla. I am studying in 9th class B section in NJPT Girls, Dumugudam. I am telling about fire accidents. Some fire accidents incidents lead to huge of loss, life and property because of human negligence or lack of awareness. Fire is a phenomena of combustion manifested in intense heat and lighting in the from of a flames are glow. Around 30,000 precious lives lost because of fire related incidents every year. Heat, fuel, or oxygen are the three main ingredients which causes fire. We cutting by supplies anyone we control the fire. Do's and don'ts at the time of fire accidents. Do's: if you see smoke or flames and erasing the alarm. Find a phone and call the find a phone and call the ask for the fire brigade and give your address and slowly and clearly reach soon. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. My name is M. Sandhya. I am studying 9th class section. MJP Girls, Dumugudam in Bhadrachalam. Today I am telling about global warming. Global warming is a term almost everyone is familiar, but its meaning is still not clear to most of us. So global warming refers to most of gradual rise in the overall temperature of atmosphere of the earth. There are various activities taking place which have been increasing temperature gradually